To do a chain stitch, I'm going to do this line here, and generally when I do chain stitch I try and do it in the downwards direction just because I find that a bit easier, but obviously you can do it however you like. But if you start here at the very top and bring the needle up, and then you're just going to try and put it back down where you got it from, or right next to it, and then you're just going to pull it and keep in the loop, and then you're going to put it at the bottom of that little circle and pull it so that the loop catches on the thread like that. And the tighter you pull it, the smaller the loop will be, and then you're going to put it back where you've just pulled it out from, just next to it, again keeping hold of the loop, and then put it at the base of the circle again and pull it till the loop catches. So can you see I haven't pulled that quite as tight, it's a bit bigger, but I'm just going to pull it so it's a nice tension. And generally you can try and keep them all the same, or you can make them all different. It's totally up to you. I'm not a massive perfectionist, so I just tend to do them, I try and keep them all the same. But sometimes they're bigger, sometimes they're smaller. And you can make them long as well, so if you wanted it to be longer, obviously you would just put the needle a bit further down. So just keep pulling it up at the centre of those little circles. And then to finish it off, I'm just going to put my needle back down over the loop so that it catches it. And that is the end of that line of chain stitch. And that is a chain stitch, so join me next time where we'll be doing a seed stitch and we'll be filling in these little areas here.